Hello everyone and welcome to ixamBee. Embrace the ixamBee learning experience to prepare 50% faster. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very good opportunity that has come for all you aspirants, that is from the Airports Authority of India. The recruitment notification is already out and this could be your flight path to a mini Ratna career. So what is this opportunity all about? Airports Authority of India is a Category 1 Mini Ratna PSC managing India's civil aviation infrastructure on the ground and in the air. It has come with two tracks of opportunities. One, the manager track, and the other one is the junior executive track. The manager track comes with a CTC of 21 lakhs per year, and the junior executive track comes with a CTC of around 14 lakhs per year. So you can understand that this is going to be a very good opportunity for all you aspirants. So the notification speaks about total 389 vacancies, which are ranging in 11 disciplines for the managers and in 4 disciplines for the junior executives. The manager's post requires 3 years post-qualification experience and the maximum age limit is 32 years. For the junior executives, freshers are eligible. So all you freshers, you have a wonderful opportunity here and the maximum age is 27 years. Now let us look into the qualification and experience required for the various posts. The notification has come up with 11 post codes for manager post. You see the educational qualification and minimum required work experience in this chart. This is for the information technology manager. And as you see, it says full-time regular bachelor's degree in engineering or technology in computer science, computer engineering, IT or electronics, or a full-time regular master's in computer applications, which means MCA is also eligible. And in the post-qualification work experience, it is asking 3 years of experience in the field of database management and administration, or data center operations and networking experience, or ERP management and administration experience, or data analytics, software application development as team lead, web development and maintenance experience as team lead. Here you see postcode number 5 to 9, which are of manager architecture, manager law, manager fire services, manager operations, and manager commercial. Further, postcode 10 and 11 are for manager corporate planning and management services and manager corporate communications respectively. Postcodes 12 to 15 are for junior executives, specifically in the fields of finance, law, operations, survey, and cartography. Here, no work experience is required. So for the manager post, you need to have 3 years of experience. So does your 3-year post qualification experience count? If you have an experience of central, state government, PSU or autonomous body, then it gets counted. But if you have working in the large private sector, you must meet one of the 3 criteria. Either your company should be listed on NSE or BSE during your tenure, or your company had a greater than 250 employees excluding the contract staff, or your company had a greater than 250 crores annual turnover, or if it is a law firm, greater than 10 crore turnover. So if your company in which you were serving meets any one of these 3 criteria, then your experience gets counted. Now let us look at the selection procedure. The selection would be based on a computer-based test known as CBT. It would be bilingual objective type with options in Hindi as well as English. The major point here is that there is no negative marking. So you can attempt all the questions that are there in the CBT. Those who clear the CBT will be called for the application verification, where you have to produce your original documents. If you are working in a government or PSU, you must bring a no objection certificate at this stage because resignation letters will not be accepted. Those who clear the application verification phase would go for the interviews. This is only for the managers. For the junior executives, there will be no interview. It would be strictly on the basis of the merit of the CBT. So the junior executives are exempted from the interviews. Now, there are certain important dates that you need to keep in mind. The online application portal is already open. It opened on 8/8/2026 and the application would close on 7/9/2026. This is the ultimate cutoff because your exact age, post-qualification experience, educational degree results, and disability certificates are all reckoned exactly on this date. The date for the CBT is not announced as yet. So you need to keep checking your registered email and the AAI website to know about the CBT date. Now let us know about the scheme of the exam that will be conducted with the help of a CBT. That's a computer-based test. So the total number of marks is 120 and the duration would be of 2 hours. It would consist of two papers, Part A and Part B. In Part A, you would be checked on general knowledge, general intelligence, general aptitude, and English. The weightage of this part is 50%. The next part, which is Part B, will contain questions on subjects relating to educational qualifications. The weightage of this part is 50%. Now let us look at the Manager IT syllabus for the CBT. You must have an understanding of the basic programming languages of Python, R, and SQL. You must know how to do data analysis, statistical computing, and efficient database management. You must know how to use TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Keras for developing and deploying intelligent models. Next is ABAP for SAP ERP. SCPU 15, Fiori, which is JavaScript, are essential for the front-end development. Also, you must know SQL and Java, SAP HANA SQL script, OData protocol, BAPIs and IDOCs, SAP-specific interfaces often accessed via ABAP. Next portion is about data augmentation technologies. You must have an idea about Hadoop and Apache Spark. You must know how to perform data transformation and enrichment, automated data generation, and integration with cloud services. You must know about AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud for scalable infrastructure, data storage, and deployment. In the API programming part, you must have experience in designing, developing, and consuming APIs using protocols like REST, SOAP, and GraphQL, etc. In the cybersecurity fundamentals, basic knowledge of key security domains and core security concepts, including threat vectors, types of cyber attacks, and common vulnerabilities, is something that you must have an understanding of. Network security, firewalls, VPNs, IDS, IPS, encryption, network segmentation, endpoint security, and cloud security are some other key components that you need to be aware of. In the common elements in data protection frameworks, you must know how to perform data classification, how to do access controls, perform encryption, data minimization, and windowing. You must have an idea about audit and monitoring, incident response, data subject rights, and data protection practices and policies. In cybersecurity dashboarding, you must have an understanding of how you can create visualizations like charts, heat maps, and timelines, real-time alerts and notifications, incident tracking and summaries, vulnerability and patch status, and user activity and access logs. So now you must have realized that this is going to be a very good opportunity for all you IT aspirants. Ensure you meet all eligibility criteria before starting your application. Apply exclusively under the Careers tab at www.aai.aero. And with that, we come to the end of this video. At ixamBee, we are committed towards your success. You can browse through our various courses related to IT and other non-IT fields at www.ixambee.com. Make sure that you choose your right learning partners so that you could be guided to the top level of success. All the best and thank you for watching.